Mrs. Diva Lakhira, President, Assam Rifles Wives Welfare Association.
Kaya lokal kana poni se ingna na ba mateng pangjara ka lakpane moi ki saktapam moi ki laifam sajik chabam laitadana lairamba kaya do koi lamphel pata lamekar kuntra aduga koi ki hangangi buto marching polo amadi pangai ki taina ba jaga da saw khrapa lamama koi samgatana thami bani asida sunatna lamphel gi atai area da sudda sokoi makoi ki grazing ground thami poni si yokhan nabagi damakta laihan nabagi damakta amadi polo masana si kan nabagi damakta koina indigenous polo tournament koi senglaba kangla gi laifam manung dai koi ahan bagi hokre adu boje Manipur da leiri beirang sina maram moirkanda second gi hobi adana leibani adu anuba second gi su hona na ba idina koi kanna honajari and particularly polo gi state I would like to appreciate my colleague of the Assam Rifles and Army who is they are taking keen interest and they are organizing many various kind of tournament in all over India and particularly in this state of Manipur. Makoina Marona Assam Rifles and the Army singna Makogi Manipur leiriba poni gi magi talent magi peculiarity mayam se por recognition piba loina na makoina masi yokhatnaba makhal makhagi Assam Rifle da polo team semkatna army gi da polo team semkatna tawriba mayam se we should appreciate them maramdi Manipur police da ju mayam ubiranguni hana aikogi sige sagol gi police leramde adubu layak phadna aikogi government si lakpadagi aikoi huji andaki mass part ju ubiranguni aikoi sagol gi team ama semaga poni si yokhatna ba hingna ba chouba lambi yat horobani akoi Imphal Valley da leiriba district sinda police station kudimata at least 50 to 100 poni si mogi sifai thamna ba aduga poni thamna ba ge akoi nan desel lobu laikre aduna atuba matamda Valley da leiriba jaga singda maroina state police force sinda akoi poni district khudingda yankai chama yokhatnabagi semkatnabagi aduma pandama koi thami and once again I amona organizing committee particularly Manipur Polo Association and Assam Rifles DG himself is coming here to encourage the tournament